Hey, this is Jeff Morgan with Truck and Trailer. Here to talk to you about the ISUZU NPR and what you need to do to help maintain your truck, keep it healthy, keep it safe. This right here is a Supreme box manufactured by Supreme Corporation. One thing that's required, every 24,000 miles or every 6 months, you want to go through and check your mounting hardware. This right here is a U-bolt. It holds on your box. On this truck, this U-bolt is loose. This vehicle only has 39,000 miles. However, these things do work themselves loose every once in a while. So you want to go through, check these, tighten them down. If you don't, you could cause some damage, expensive damage to your equipment, or you could make unsafe driving conditions for your employees or other people on the road. So this is just one of the things you want to do on your vehicles to make sure you are taking care of it properly. We appreciate you watching, and log on to truckandtrailer.com or call 866-275-2785.